So apparently in Korean entertainment, giving company money to your ex-boyfriend is a trend now. First, comedian Bang Na-rae allegedly paid her ex a salary and got accused of embezzlement. And now, Newjean's mom is learning that love has very expensive ankles. Right now, there's a massive legal fight between Hybe and former Ador CEO Min Hee-jin. Shareholder contract termination, put option lawsuit worth $15 million. Very serious words that basically means we're fighting over a lot of money. During court, Hybe dropped a bomb. They show a service contract related to the Newjean's team. And according to this contract, Ador paid a company called Bana 33 million won every month. On top of that, extra labor fees, extra incentives, and the cherry on top, 5% of total album revenue in release years. Wow, 5% in K-pop from the whole revenue. That's a bonus, that's a lifestyle. And wait, it gets better. Min Hee-jin even signed a written pledge saying that part of the money she expected to receive from the exercising her high put option, which is worth $50 million, could be given to Mr. Kim, the CEO of Bana. And after contract renewal, Mr. Kim's annual incentive jumped from 400 million won to 1 billion won. And here's the real plot twist highlight. Even if Bana did no actual work, they could still receive all these incentives from Ador. That's not a contract, that's a subscription. So what happened? In 2022 alone, Bana's CEO received 1 billion won, about $750,000. That is twice the total settlement paid to Newjean's members. Ador recorded an operating loss that year. Newjean's global stars, Bana, still got paid more. Honestly, it's a very generous contract. I also want a contract like that. I don't even need to work, I can just believe in the vision. So, who are Bana and Mr. Kim? They handle music production for Newjeans. And yes, as you all predicted, Mr. Kim was in a romantic relationship with Min Hee-jin. Min Hee-jin admits, yes, we were dating, yes, she signed the pledge, but no, she says this was not favoritism. Her defense, he was extremely talented. I believed he could change the world. I didn't pay him that much compared to the industry, which is bold because that comparison is actually top tier even for K-pop. She adds, if you want to work long-term with talented people, you must give them motivation and compensation. That sounds beautiful. Also sounds like something you say during cross-examination. When Hybe asked whether this contract went through a board resolution, Min answered, I don't remember, which is legally never a great memory to lose. So the big question, is Min Hee-jin guilty of embezzlement or breach of trust? Legally speaking, it's complicated. Yes, Mr. Kim's pay was higher than Min's. Yes, it's one of the highest in the industry. Yes, 5% album revenue is almost unheard of. But unless the amount is clearly unreasonable, breach of trust is hard to prove, especially in entertainment where ability means creativity, originality, and inspiration. Things you can't measure with Excel. However, if a major contract where a producer earns more than the artists themselves did not go through the board, then procedurally, there's a problem. So, what's the lesson here? In K-pop, talent is priceless, love is expensive, and your ex might still be on payroll.